What's going on, everybody? Today we have a pretty fun video ahead of us. So we're going to be working on the Stelvio today. Thank you to Madness Autoworks. They sent us the GoPedal for the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. So we're going to be showing you how to install this, do a little review on it for you guys. But yeah, big thank you to Madness Autoworks / 500 Madness. If you have a Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Jeep, any of that kind of things, check out their website. It'll be linked in the bio. Okay, luckily for this install, the only tools you're going to need are the actual GoPedal and your hands. Okay, so to install this, there's two cords running off the actual GoPedal. One has the main kind of clip onto it, and this one will plug in to the cord that's actually plugged into your gas pedal now. And then this one will plug into your gas pedal. So if you come down here, and we'll show you how it goes. Okay, so if you just reach right on top of the gas pedal, you can actually just pull this black clip, pop that off, and then you grab your GoPedal, and the one without the maroon clip on it plugs into this. Go ahead and snap that into place. And then the one with the maroon clip sits right on top of the gas pedal. Go ahead and clip that into place, and it's on. And that's all it is. Alright, and then for this case, I found the easiest spot to route the cable and the cleanest is just right through this body panel. There's a line. You can actually just stuff the cable right in there. Keep it kind of hidden. And then for now, we'll just put it in the cup holder. It does indeed come with mounting tape, so you can put it on your dash or wherever you'd like to put it underneath. But my mom, she just wants it in her cup holder, so that's where it'll go. Okay, you'll know you do it right if the light turns on the GoPedal. So when you first turn it on, it'll have a green light. That's going to be your least aggressive, kind of more stay on the fuel efficient side mode. Then if you click the program button again, it turns yellow / orange. That's going to be your somewhat kind of sport mode. And you click program one more time, that's your race mode. And then one more time and it just turns it off. So with the three settings, you have three aggressiveness settings. So obviously this is just on, 1, 2, and 3. 3 is going to be the most aggressive you can go. So for this scenario, as we go drive, get some reactions, I put it on race and I turn it all the way up. That's my favorite. That's just my driving style. Okay, so you're feeling
just the normal mode.
Normal mode, right?
Pretty similar to when first rode in the car.
Yeah. Jeez, so this is nothing. Yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Obviously,
that's
race mode. Race mode, full aggressiveness.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That initial like.
So it's a lot. It's a big difference when you really feel it. Full aggressiveness might be a little too much for some people. My dad drove it around for a little bit and he said it makes him look a little funny in a parking lot because he's just kind of, so it takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's amazing how you can just adjust it on the fly. So when you are adjusting it, you don't really want to be in gear and you don't want to have your foot on the gas pedal or the brake. The best way to adjust it would be when you come to a complete stop, then go ahead and change your setting. That'd be the safest way as well. But, I mean, it's pretty easy. Pretty simple thing to do. Okay, so if you follow us on our channel kind of consistently, this is the same Alfa Stelvio that we put the lowering springs on from Madness Autoworks as well. So this one does have a little better handling for curves and whatnot, and then plus now with the GoPedal it just likes to exit the corners with a little less lag. A lot less lag. And it's a lot more fun too. But if you're interested, go ahead and scroll through our feed and you can go ahead and watch the how-to install video for those springs.
And they definitely work.
Going to like them.
And they definitely work for sure.
Alright, so that's driving with it. Obviously there's a big difference. I mean, it does take a lot of the lag away. It makes driving it a lot more fun. And obviously there's those settings that you can mess around with and find your driving style, but get that pedal lag just reduced by a lot. If you want to find this GoPedal, go to madnessautoworks.com. You type in your year, model of your car, whatnot. I think they range from around $325, $350. but it is well worth your money, and you don't get any simpler of an install than that. 2 plugs, that's all it takes. But thank you for watching, and big thank you to Madness Autoworks again. Be sure to check out their website. Like I said, it's linked in the description. I'll be sure to link the direct to the GoPedal as well. But thank you. Keep watching. If you want any questions at all, feel free to ask in the comments. Email us. Go to our website. Click the bell. Click the subscribe button. Keep on watching.